Hey, this is David at Tamisium Extractors. I'm about to set this TE12000 up to run 12 pound or 8 pounds of catnip. It's for a customer, and I thought I'd go over this process to show you guys how this system works. This is I get a lot of questions about what kind of filtration system we use, and to be honest, you need what I call a traversing filter, which is basically just some steel wool that's been unraveled or unrolled and then laid beside another piece, and then another piece is laid across the top of that like so, and then another one, and then once you've got about 3 layers of that, you compress all this into a circle that'll fit inside of the diameter of that column, and that goes on top of your particulate matter filter. And what this allows you to do is allows you to catch the particles that would normally clog up your filter and stop them from even making it to the filtering process as they traverse through the fibers in this steel wool. The steel wool has already been pre-cleaned. Steel wool usually has some machining oil or something to keep it from rusting on it, so you have to clean it out before you use it, unless you're making a non-consumable. So we got about 8 bags of 1 pound, 8 1-pound bags of catnip into this. If it was finely ground, I could get about 10 or 12 pounds in the column, but they ran out of the finely ground material and I didn't feel like grinding it any further. So this is going to go on top of the extractor tank. This extractor tank has a wafer valve on the top of it so that when you take the column off, the extractor tank vapors inside are not exposed to the air. Normally you recover 100% of the solvent anyway, and you have 0 psi when you open it up. And it's probably pulling a vacuum more than it's blowing pressure out. But the fact of the matter is there's no pressure in the tank, so this is just an extra safety precaution. It's not to hold pressure or anything, but it can hold the pressure in the tank. So I'm going to put this together and put the lid on, and then I'm going to put that up there and hook it all up so that we can start our extraction.